In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show the critical path in Microsoft Project. The critical path is the chain of linked tasks that directly determines your project's finish date. If any task on that chain slips, your overall end date moves with it. So being able to see it clearly is essential for planning and status reviews. Let's start in the Gantt chart, which is the simplest place to visualize it. Open your project and make sure you're in the Gantt chart view. If you're not, switch to it from the View tab so the right tools appear. Now, still on the ribbon, look for the Format section. This may appear as Gantt chart format or simply Format depending on your version. Turn on critical tasks. Immediately, you'll see red bars appear in the Gantt chart. Those red bars represent your critical tasks, and taken together, they form your critical path. Non-critical tasks will remain in their standard color, making the critical path stand out at a glance. Remember, the critical path is based on task dependencies, so only linked tasks are considered when Project calculates it. Sometimes you'll want to analyze the critical path in other task-centric views. From the View tab, switch to a different view such as Task Usage. On the same tab, open the Highlight dropdown and choose Critical. Project will highlight tasks that are part of the critical path so you can focus on them without changing the underlying data. If you need to narrow your focus even more, use the Filter dropdown and select Critical to display only those tasks. This is helpful during review meetings when you want to discuss only what affects the finish date. If you want to broaden what project considers critical or visualize parallel critical chains, you can adjust a couple of options. Go to File, then Options, and open the Advanced section. In the area labeled Calculation Options for this project, find the setting that reads Tasks are critical if slack is less than or equal to. Enter a small number of days, like 1 or 2, to include near-critical tasks that have very little slack. Slack, also called float, is the amount of time a task can move without affecting the project finish. Including tasks with small slack helps you catch risks before they become critical. In the same area, you can enable Calculate Multiple Critical Paths if your plan has several independent streams or milestones that each drive a different finish. These settings help you see what truly governs your schedule, and Project will recalculate the path automatically as dates and dependencies change. With these tools, you can confidently show, analyze, and manage the critical path in Microsoft Project.